There you go. He cleaned up. All I gotta do is tight the engine back down. Let it sit for 24 hours. Tight, dry good. Hook my kill switch plug, my kill switch back in. She ready to rip. You know, it's all about keeping your rig clean. You know, if you're gonna spend all that money on these type of toys and then you go out there and you dirty it all up and just bring it home and put it up and it's all dirty and beat up looking, you know, just save your money. You know, the best way to handle these type of toys right here, keep them clean. That way you can always detect any kind of problem. If you got a leak somewhere, you'll be able to see it, you know, because your rig clean. If you got a screw coming loose or something coming loose, you'll be able to see it because you're constantly cleaning it and doing maintenance to it. But trust me, if you just buy these cars and you run them and don't clean them the maintenance in the right way, you will always have a lot of problems. You got to think this still China made. This ain't the MCD or none of them other big name cars that they charge your arm and the leg for because they got people sitting in their hand making all the parts to perfection. This rovan L5. Some Chinese people, rice eating, whatever, right, what they call it, rice gas go-getters. That's what this is. You know, I just put my little touch on it. It ain't come with none of this aluminum. I had to order all that aluminum off line. It ain't come with the 2-speed transmission. And it definitely ain't come with these rims. So, there you go. That's how you get a Chinese rice go-getter and put them in the game with the big dogs. All I need now is a RC Max engine or either a 34cc modded engine and I'll be ready to go. But yeah, tips on cleaning your 1/5 scale, keeping them looking new.